Hello to my thousand of followers on YouTube. I got an idea to do a simple video, and hopefully I will be able to narrate and paint at the same time. The thing is that, well, if my recording doesn't come out very good, what I'm gonna do is gonna put it as a demo. Okay, this is gonna be super simple. We're gonna do a rose, and we're gonna use a flat, like 1 inch flat brush, and we're gonna use black, bland black for this. We're gonna do a rose, simple subject, and this gonna be good because starting with simple subjects is gonna give you the confidence. And this also a technique that it will be like more like ink. Okay, so let's start. Rose. I don't even have a reference, so how simple it is. I'm trying to do triangles with my brush. Triangle, same simple. Then use on the corners, keep doing the thing. Get more ink, keep doing it. Remember flowers like on nature, they're kind of random. So yeah, they follow a pattern that is natural at the same time it's kind of random. So you see, it comes out really easy. You don't need to be super artist to start with simple project. You always want to start with simple things so you don't become frustrated. You see, then you don't get nervous if you messed up. It doesn't really matter. You try. You got to know how to feel like a champion. You see, very simple motif, and utilizing the corners of the brush, and I'm holding the brush very in the back. I don't know if you can see, not like a pencil, and do the turns. Since we're doing this black, nice trick to try to do is just it's little pieces in the white. That definitely is gonna help you. Yeah, see, and try to make, yep, simple flower. Yeah, super quick. We haven't even do three minutes. Let's do a couple leaves in the floor. People is gonna see that you're progressing. Confident. So this is ready. Any questions? You guys let me know. We're gonna see some simple paintings, nothing not out of the ordinary. Just to start, just to get your feet wet. You need to go simple subject, build up your confidence in watercolor. Thank you, and hopefully I'm gonna post more this week. I hope I like the way I'm talking on the videos because I'm kind of self-conscious. Well, thank you guys. I hope somebody learned from me. See you next week.